Can you hide? Can you hide? Hide. Where's Lee? Where's Lee? Ah, there he is. Yeah. Is that a button? Yeah? You're showing that to Georgia? What is it? A button? You telling... You want Georgia to get in there with you? I think it's too small for both of you. Yeah. It's too small. Careful, that thing might tip over. Careful. You want Georgia to get in there? It's too small. Georgia's too big for the box. Yeah, she's too big. Are you getting out? Stop. Whoops. Oh, be careful. That doesn't seem safe. There you go.